In Arabic, the phrase I like doesn't exist the same way it does in English. There isn't exact word to replace like in Arabic. Instead of that, we have two ways to express the same idea. One is active and one is reflexive. Today in Learn Arabic with Manar, we will see how to say I like in Arabic in both ways. Yalla! Actually, after filming this lesson, it turned out longer than I expected. That's why we will have part 1 this week to talk about the active way, and next week we will talk about the reflexive way. So, yalla, let's start. The exact meaning of the phrase that replaces I like you, it's I'm an admirer of you. To form that phrase, we will use the word mua'jeb for a man, mu'jab for a woman, mu'jabin for a group of people. So if you are a man and you want to tell a woman that you like her, you will say
أنا معجب فيكي.
أنا معجب فيكي. أنا, it is the pronoun I. It doesn't carry gender in Arabic. Mu'jab, it is an admirer, masculine. Fiki, here we have the preposition fi, and we adding to this the suffix ki to form the feminine you. I'm an admirer of you. After the mu'jab, mu'jabe, mu'jabin, we always use the preposition fi. If you are a woman and you want to tell a man that you are liking him, you will say أنا معجبة فيك. أنا, I, معجبة, an admirer. Fik, it is the preposition in, and by adding the suffix ke, we are adding the object you, masculine. Let's have some examples to understand it more. If you want to say Sami likes her, you will say Sami mu'jab fiha. Sami, it's the name, mu'jab, an admirer of her. Fiha. Fi, it is the preposition in. Here it gives the meaning of, and by adding the suffix ha, we are forming the object her. Sami mu'jab fiha. Sami likes her. On the other hand, if you want to say Rima likes him, you will say Rima mu'jabe fi. Rima is the name, mu'jabe, it is an admirer in the female form, fi of him. Here we have fi, the preposition in, and we have the suffix ha at the end. It's not really clear that when we say it, but it is like fi. You don't have to really pronounce the ha at the end. Rima mu'jabe fi. Rima likes him. Notice here, fiha, this is the feminine. It ends with ha and alif, and you could hear it of her. Fiha. But the masculine, fi, it ends with only ha, and this is the suffix for him, and you can't really hear it. This is called the suffix pronouns, and it's widely used in the Arabic language. Soon I will have a complete lesson to explain all of them. So if you are new here, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell not to miss them. So now what if we want to say Sami likes Rima or Rima likes Sami? In this case, if we have a name after mu'jab or mu'jabe, we have to use the preposition be, in or to. So it will be Sami mu'jab bi Rima. Sami, an admirer, the masculine form, to Rima. To, it is here be, Rima. And the other hand, it will be Rima mu'jabe bi Sami. Rima mu'jabe bi Sami. If we want to say Rima and Sami likes each other, in Arabic it will be Sami و Rima mu'jabin bi ba'd. First we will have Sami and wa Rima mu'jabin. We will have the plural form and an admirer of each other. ببعض. We will have B. Also here the preposition be. ببعض. So notice here, if you are using after mu'jab, mu'jabe, mu'jabin, and preposition in and after a suffix, you have to use fi. If you are using a name, you have to use be. So it will be Sami mu'jab fiha. But if you are mentioning the name, it will be Sami mu'jab birima. The other way to use the plural mu'jabin, admirers, is to refer to the celebrities' fans. And it will be by using the word mu'jabin and the name of the artist without using any preposition in between of them. And it will be like mu'jabin Fayruz, for example. Fayruz, she is the famous Lebanese singer. I want to make a small note here. The active way I like in Arabic, it's not used to refer to things and animals. It's used to refer only to people.
mua'jeb ana fiki.
Now, as usual, let's go over our phrases and vocabulary. Mu'jab, admirer, masculine. Mu'jabe, admirer, feminine. Mu'jabin, admirers. أنا معجب فيكي, I like you, to a woman. أنا معجبة فيك, I like you, to a man. سامي معجب فيها, Sami likes her. Rima معجبة فيه, Rima likes him. Sami معجب بريما, Sami likes Rima. Rima معجبة بسامي, Rima likes Sami. Sami وريما معجبين ببعض, Sami and Rima like each other. معجبين فيروز, Fayruz fans. Thank you for joining me today. If you liked today's video, give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. See you next time. Yalla bye.